Bautista, 22, Bachelor of Arts, major in Theater Arts.
Height 8 inches and he weighs 61 kilograms. Kevin Ronald Bautista is our candidate number 7. He is a senior Bachelor of Arts and major in Theater Arts student. And for him, nothing is impossible for one who believes. Kevin Ronald Bautista, candidate number 7.
How are you doing, candidate number 7? I'm feeling good. Very good. So, take your number. Picture number 7, please. I believe that's our picture, and there is an agreement that if your picture was chosen for you, you would be given another chance to pick another picture. Explain. Ano, can you please show again our picture number 7? I'm sorry. There's the picture, candidate number 7. Yes, that's our picture. Okay po. Binigay po yan ng aming eskwelahan, and there is an agreement that we cannot, it would be unfair for all of them. Okay? Okay. Thank you, candidate number 7. And we shall now call. Okay, our candidate number 7 is picking another number for another picture. Oh, okay. So candidate number 7 will pick another number. It's number 10. Picture, please. The picture that we see tonight is a picture of a rice field. And this picture is not just a rice field tonight, for it symbolizes new hope. Every farmers work hard for upcoming new breeds of rice. But we believe that every seed that the farmers has is like in life, it gives us hope, it gives us future. Whenever we see fruits